Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. This is around the house. What you're looking at is filtered crushed asphalt, and I decided I was going to go ahead and cover my driveway with the asphalt instead of gravel. It's about time, as you can see, over the period of time here, just regular gravel winds up just getting covered or slowly sinking into the ground under it. So this year I've decided I'm going to go ahead and put crushed gravel down, because they say over time, as you're rolling on it, it gets harder, just like the road. They do recommend having a roller come in and tap it down, but they do say just driving over it over a period of time, it'll do the exact same thing. So right now it's $30 a ton from where I get it, and I'm putting it down by hand, just shovel and dumping it. So we'll see how this works out over time. I got it. I'm getting it down. I'm covering over the mud, and we'll see how it packs down over time. And I made up my nice little ramp up to my other ramps. We'll get it packed down. Main thing is now I'm not walking on mud, and we can keep the vehicles decent shape. So okay, with a little bit of persistence here, filling up the wheelbarrow. This is where I'm at right now. What I'm going to do is take the caliber, and it's got all seasons on it, so it won't dig it up. So this is what it looks like when it's nice and packed down. Still got some little bumps and stuff like that for the moment, but I'll be able to get some in here, get it spread out, get it packed down. I'll have a nice level area here. And because the caliber again has all seasons, it won't dig it up. It'll just pack it down. So that's where I'm at right now. I got a couple more buckets, and then fill in this area, and then I can start driving. I'll drive that around in here and get it packed down. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Let me know how you feel about using crushed asphalt. Let me know how your situation is.